Hello everyone, this is my video on introduction to HTML coding. So, HTML is a markup language. It is used in many web browsers. So, it is mostly used for web designing and making web pages. So, I'm gonna use the browser Chrome. And I would also prefer a very nice editor like Atom or Visual Studio Code. So, I'm just gonna install it. So I'm just gonna download it. Download for Windows stable build. So now it will be here and it will download. So I'll just click on this and it will run the program. Yeah. So you have to accept the agreement. So you have to click on I accept the agreement and click on next. So these are additional tabs. So let's read it out. Add open with code action to Windows Explorer file context menu. Add open with code action to Windows Explorer directly context menu. Register code as an editor for supported file types. So I'll just do this, register code as an editor for supported file types and add path. So you can also create a desktop icon like me, or you can just untick it by clicking on it again. So I'll just click on next and install. Now finish. So it will launch code by itself. So there you go. So I'll just go to start and new file. So I'll just select for editor. So I'll just do text editor. And now from here you can just change the language. So I'm just gonna type HTML. Now so first in HTML the code starts with HTML tag. So HTML tag first starts with a greater than and less than signs like this. So as you can see, this is a very good editor and it has autofilled the other part. So for ending a tag you have to have a slash. Now in the middle you can write header. And so this is also a tag, so you have to give it also a bigger and smaller. Yeah, so now I'm gonna type the end one also. So inside, mostly inside header we write title. So this does that. This helps in the like you see in most web browsers, this is the place where it shows the summary or like what is the tab about. So title is the same thing. So I'm just gonna write introduction to HTML. So now you can just complete this. So this is done. So and now I'm gonna save it. So I'm gonna save it in my desktop. So I'm gonna make a file called tutorials. So now I'm gonna save it in this. So I'm just gonna make it tutorial month and save. Now I'll just go to my file, or you can just go to here, tutorials, and click on this. So now you can just click on this and it will open with, so I have many browsers, so you can just use the one you recommend. So I'll just go to Chrome. So as you can see at the top, it's written Introduction to HTML. So this is how to run the most basic HTML code. So now I'm gonna further edit it. So now I'm gonna use body. So it is also very advanced, or you can say intermediate type of tag. So this helps in containing all the content of the web page. So for changing the background color, you can do BG color equals to red, and you can also do it by RGB, which is red, green and blue. Now just write anything here. Let's write HTML is HTML hyphen hyper markup language. Full stop. So the BG color will be red and there will be this in the web page. So as you can see, the BG color is red, or you can see the background color, and this is black, the text. You can also change the text color by adding another attribute. So these are called attributes: BG color and text and other things. So these are in CSS, which I'll talk about in other tutorials. So it should be text equal to blue. So as you can see, it has changed the color to blue. Now so I prefer it being white. Let's check this now. So I'll just do Ctrl S and check it out again. So this is better. So I'm gonna explain you what is the paragraph tag. So you don't have to write the whole paragraph, so you can just write P. And inside paragraph tag you can just write some type of definitions and words, like this is a paragraph tag. This is used in typing paragraphs and editing them. Full stop. Now I go to Chrome and refresh it. So as you can see, this had just printed this out. These are the basics of HTML programming. So thank you for watching my video, and like and subscribe to my channel.